Hey students, today let's explore a tricky concept called the Post Hoc Fallacy. It sounds complex, but it's really about not jumping to conclusions too quickly. Let's dive into an example that might show up in your exams. Imagine John, who starts using a new toothpaste and notices his toothaches disappear. He thinks, this toothpaste must be the reason my toothaches are gone. But is it really? Here's a multiple choice question based on John's situation. John concluded that his new toothpaste cured his toothaches. Which option best shows why John might be wrong because of the post hoc fallacy? Options: A. The toothpaste fights cavities well. B. John also started antibiotics when he switched toothpastes. C. Others using the same toothpaste had fewer toothaches. D. The toothpaste has ingredients proven to reduce pain. The correct answer? B. John also began taking antibiotics, which might be the real reason his toothache stopped. This shows that just because one event follows another, it doesn't mean the first event caused the second. That's what we call the post hoc fallacy. Remember, critical thinking helps us avoid such mistakes. Keep questioning and exploring reasons.